I recently splurged on a curling iron, and boy do I have some thoughts. Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a little review video. I splurged. I had my eye on this thing for some time now. It's $160, I believe, at Ulta, but online it's $150. I just couldn't bring myself to spend that much money on a curling iron, but I got a 20% off coupon for Ulta in the mail, and I did it. I am talking about the T3 Single Pass Curl 1 1/4 inch professional curling iron. Okay, so I have never splurged on a hair product like this before. I think I have like a Revlon hair dryer, and I think like my curling irons are either Revlon or Cotton Air, which nothing wrong with those. I've been using those for my whole life. So I decided I wanted to splurge. I mean, the white and rose gold got me. So this is what she looks like. She's beautiful. It's just beautiful. It looks so pretty in my bathroom. It's just, yeah, it's so pretty. I'm gonna read a couple things that this thing claims. It's got T3 single pass technology, a Gloss, if I'm saying that properly, ceramic barrel, 5 heat settings, a smart microchip. Okay, so the microchip continually monitors and adjusts power to minimize heat fluctuations and maintain consistent temperature. High performance ceramic heaters ensure even heat, free of hot spots for one pass styling. And I will say, like, it heats up very, very quickly. It's still warm, I just used it. So I'm gonna plug this thing in. Okay, so to turn on it, so there were no directions in this thing. I didn't even really know how to use it. I don't know how to turn it off. I just unplug it to turn it off. So you turn this to the side. Oh dear. Okay, so yeah. So these little lights, oh, wait, what's it doing now? So see how the lights are changing? It must do that until it gets to the desired setting. I've only used it on the second setting. Right now it's trying to heat up to the hottest setting. So I'm just gonna see, yeah, it's already freaking hot. I'm blown away by how fast this thing heats up. I will say, I just picked it up yesterday. I did use it on my hair yesterday. I have my extensions in right now, but when I curled my regular hair, it worked so well, you guys. I didn't want to have to say this. I didn't want to have to like tell you guys that I like it as much as I do, but the thing is awesome. I'm kind of upset that I hadn't bought it sooner. Yeah, I'm in love. I know, like, my hair, I lighten my hair, so like I know I was kind of skeptical to buy something like this powerful because I didn't want to fry my hair, and that's why I've only used it on like the lower settings. Now it's still lighting up like that. Like, I haven't seen it do that. Why are you doing that? It does have an auto shut off. After approximately 1 hour, it'll shut off. To reactivate the unit, press and hold the lit power button. Okay, I don't have a power button on here. If you guys have this and you know what they're talking about, please let me know. Okay, so it stopped flashing. So I'm assuming that that means that it got up to the heat that it needed to get up to, and then it stops flashing. But I do not know where the power button is. Like I said, I don't even know how to turn the thing off. I just unplug it. So if you guys know, can you tell me? I can't even tell you guys. It curled my extensions so quickly. It took me like 5 minutes to curl them all. I did not want to love a $150 curling iron this much, but it is awesome, you guys. So I'm just gonna, like, I did just curl my hair, but I'm just gonna do a couple spots for you guys just to kind of show you. And I don't keep it in for a long time because it is very, very hot. But this thing, oh my gosh. Like, now I get it. Like, you know, when you go to the salon, your hair always looks so much better when they use their tools. I think it's just because they're using really good tools. And I will say, I also have the Time straightener, and I don't know if that's the same company. They're next to each other at Ulta. Like, it almost looks like they're like the same, but I don't know if they are. But that straightener is amazing. It's the best straightener I've ever used. So I will say the more expensive tools do work better. I guess you get what you pay for. I just didn't really know what I was missing because I've been using the other ones for so long, but now that I've tried this one, oh my gosh. So yeah, I said it, it's worth the money. If you can splurge on something, I would say do it. Wait for a 20% off coupon for Ulta and order it online. And I just had it, I picked it up from the store, but it is for some reason cheaper online. I don't know why it's $160 in the store, but I wanted to show you guys how I curled my real hair. So I will insert some video of me just doing my regular hair and show you guys what that looks like. So my real hair is probably, yeah, that's my real hair. So it's about this length. So if you guys are curious to see how curls look on that length hair, I will insert some video. And otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I'm sorry if you guys have been on the fence with this thing as well, like I was for so long. I was watching for like months, and this is my Christmas present to myself. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, so I think I figured out how to turn it off. So say it's on. All I did was I held it over to the side like that, and then it lit up. And then the lights went away. I figured it out.